Did you ever see the man before who said he was O'Hearn's lawyer?
Well,
But go ahead, speak freely. This is Mr. O'Connor of the Department of Justice.
no, sir. I never saw Mr. O'Hearn's visit before.
What did he look like?
Well, medium, height, tall, and he had a briefcase in his hand.
Well, you see, Inspector, all I have to do is look for a man of medium height, tall, with a briefcase.
Everybody in that jail must be deaf, dumb, and blind to let a thing like this happen. You can go. That gang's been knocking over small banks all over the city. I arrest one of the mob. Get him identified. I put him in jail. And some killer walks in and murders him. Fine breaks I get.
Your blood pressure, Inspector.
Now what do you want?
The mayor calling.
More grief. Yes, Macy speaking.